Oh my. Oh my goodness. Hello. Oh wait. I don't exist. Hi. What's up, everybody? How's it going? Hey, Bass Boy. Hey, Tony. Is it hanging? It's pretty good. It's pretty good. I'm a little sleepy today, but other than that, I'm chilling. My body did the cool thing where it's like, hey, we're gonna go to bed at 11 p.m. like we always do. And I was like, yeah, that makes sense. I got ready for bed, and I got in my bed, and I was ready to go to bed. And then my body was like, hey, actually, we changed our mind. You're wide awake now. And I'm like, oh, that's not good. I'm like, yeah. So, do you want to just lay here forever, wide awake? Or do you want to wake up and walk around for a little bit? I was like, wow, those both sound fucking horrible. Why are you doing this to me? And so I was like, okay, well, if I'm gonna be up anyways. I tried to fall asleep and then I was like, well, if I'm gonna be up anyways, I'll just like get some stuff done. So I like opened Godot. I was like, fine. Fine, if I'm gonna be awake, I'll code. Whatever, you win. And then as soon as I opened Godot, my body was like, alright. Sleepy time again. Fucking kidding me. Why are you doing this to me? Lethal Company be like, yeah man, I'm the monster. The real monster was inside me all along. It's my brain. So cool. Let's sleep at like 5 a.m. It's rough, man. It's rough. What? Rough out there. I hate it. And then like, you start getting the anxiety of like, oh, I'm gonna be sleepy tomorrow. And you know what doesn't help you sleep? Anxiety that you're gonna be sleepy tomorrow. We just go around in circles. It never gets any better. So yeah, I'm a little sleepy. That's okay. That's okay. Because we only have a little bit left to do with the game. We only have a couple things left on the checklist, and then we are done, dude. So close. I will show you. EP moment. Not an EP moment in sight. Yeah, look. Let me zoom in. We're almost done. Look at this. We just need to update the amounts that you get when you die. And then change all the display values to scientific notation. And then reset the game. Do the player's data saving. And then fix the resolution scaling. And then we're done. Oh, and ads. Yeah, close. Close. I'm planning for a release maybe Saturday. Hopefully. Hopefully. We'll see. Can I put a 360 no scope upgrade? You know, I would. I really would, but here's the problem. There's just no room in the shop. Inventory's full. Can't do it. I just can't let you put anything more in the shop. I'm sorry. I want to. Don't get me wrong. Need more pages. DLC. Yeah, if you give me $100, I'll put it at 720 no scope in the game. Just for you. You're the only one who can buy it. Yeah, look at this. We got a game, dude. Send in payments. 100 gifted right now. Correct. Hey, look at this play again button. It doesn't work. With interest? Oh, now we're talking. Wait, interest for me or for you? What's the rate? Like -5%? Also, I don't think I like this sprite. Yeah. I think I want only the inner sprite. I think the outer sprite looks a little... It's too much. Like that. No? Like that. Yeah. What does that look like? -50% interest. What would that even mean? You make the first payment, then the next day... You'd still have to pay me every day, technically speaking. Yeah, the balance would get cut. Yeah, this looks much nicer. Cool. I keep forgetting this button doesn't work. He doesn't look. This isn't for you. Monthly. This is a complicated loan. I'm gonna need to get my what are the underwriter? I'm gonna need to get my underwriter on it. Yeah, we have an underwriter now. That's how famous we are. Keep him on retainer. You know how it is. Pew pew. Bonk bonk. So pleasant. Bonk. Bonk bonk. 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 That's so nice, dude. So nice. What a great sound. Oh, the audio cut for a second. Why'd it do that? That's not good. Bink bonk. Correct. Got the right idea. Clouds came in clutch for sure. Clouds were the right call. I'm glad we did that instead of all of the other like random assets I was finding. Yeah, we got a game, dude. Alright. I'm gonna let this run in the background. What's next? Decide ratio on tiles killed to new game upgrades. So basically, however much stuff we kill, we're gonna get upgrades for the next game, for new game plus. We need to decide what the going rate on tiles killed to cool stuff is. Ooh, this is full volume. I need to turn that down. Probably really loud. So, we also please remove card SFX for the shop. What's card SFX? Card sound effects? Remove card sound effects? There's no sound effects. What are you talking about? Is this the same game as those combat sprites or like a mini game? It's just like a little idle game for your phone. Nothing crazy. It's just something I could search up please remove card on YouTube. Oh, I know what you're saying. Like when you put your credit card in a chip reader. I'm skipping this song, it's a little loud. Yeah. Remove card. SFX. This? You want this? How loud is this gonna be? I don't hear it. Why is it broken? This sound for the shop, huh? This one? Is this what you want? These are awful. That one, I have like a visceral reaction to that one. That one's definitely not the one. That's a number 3. It's for sure classic, as in I hear it all the time. You guys ever go to a gas station and they have the Sonic the Hedgehog ring noise when you check out? Just like one day, every like Speedway just started having that noise. That was so disorienting. No, it's real, dude. It's the Sonic like ring pickup noise. Hang on. Sonic ring pickup gas station. Yeah, this thing. Peep the vid.
Have you ever gone to a gas station or convenience store and the person's ringing up your order and you hear this sound effect?
It's the ring pickup. I hear it all the time in Texas. I don't know why. It's just a thing. I don't know what to tell you. The future is now. Texas loves Sega. Why Texas? If Texas loves Sega, then why are their Tunithum machines offline, huh? Riddle me that one, Batman. All the Tunicabs are offline. It's the saddest day. Alright, let's see. Let's make some ratios. Get ratios. Game over. Yeah. So this should pass. Yeah, total killed. Sick. So here we do update prestige values. Pass total killed. Oh, that's the function name already. Oops. Yeah, man. All right. Var at export var speed prestige ratio at export var let's see, amount prestige ratio. So this is diagonal of the after the game jam. How about that? Duration ratio. I'm just gonna call these ratio. We're already in this prestige class, so I was like so confident we were gonna be able to get this done in time for the jam, and now that it's like I only have 6 days left, 7 days left, I'm like starting to sweat a little bit. Not gonna lie. Speed amount. Oh, damage. Damage ratio. And I think I can do this, no? One of these boys? L plus ratio. Yeah. There we go. Can't know the classified information. Yeah, everything is sealed up till after the game jam. Then my secrets will be revealed. I think this reminds you of how you barely passed programming during college. Ah, were you CS with us? I don't remember. You were CS, right, Tony? I assume everyone that was in the OS club was the CS major. It was for the first year. Okay, I see. Dude, college CS is hard. It was such a struggle, like getting started, and then like a few years in, it got easier for some reason. I don't know why, but like for perspective, I think the incoming class for CS majors during my year was 6,000 people, and of those 6,000 people, 400 people graduated in CS. Which, like, that's not a good ratio, right? Like, I don't know if that's necessarily a student problem at that point, or if it's a maybe a more institutional. Uncle Vitelli is doing CS and he's taking calculus, calc 2, and trig. Yeah, dude, I don't understand why they like force feed you so much calculation based mathematics. Like, I don't think when does a programmer use like calc 3 stuff, you know? Like linear algebra for sure, right? Like everyone uses linear algebra all the time in programming, but like calc, like I don't know the last time I told a computer to do a derivative. This is tough. Your brother did it. Hey, congrats to your brother. That's sick. Yeah, it's tough though, man. It sucks though because it turns off a lot of people to programming when like if you can't cut a CS degree, that doesn't mean you can't be a programmer. You know what I'm saying? But like it's so many people's first impression of how to program that they just get like really discouraged, like, I guess I can't do this, and then they just never try it again. I've talked to so many people that have that like I tried it in college and it was too hard for me. It's like, I think college was too hard for you. I don't think programming is too hard for you. Just ask AI to make you a game. Yeah, exactly. Hey, ChatGPT, make my video game, and then monetize it, and then there's no legal issues at all. That's totally fine, right, guys? Right, guys? Hey, where are the vars? There we go. Okay, so what we're gonna do is floor. Do I want to floor? Maybe I want to do like a logarithm actually. If we do a logarithm, log what though? Log. Yeah, let's change the name of these. Speed log base. Yeah. Hear me out. So the reason I'm doing this is I can set the log base and then like say you killed 100 of these things. Like it scales, it doesn't scale linearly now this way. damage. So it gives you more of like a progressive you know what? I'll just show you. Update next game prestige value. No, what do I call this? Calculate. Calculate next game prestige. What is this, like upgrade amounts? This. Yeah, so we're gonna take the logarithm of the total amount of tiles killed, like the player's total killed amount. So let's say we have time to open paint. Let's say we have 100 killed, and we're gonna say log base 5, right? This means in your next game, you get 2 purchases right off the bat for free, right? Because 5 to the 0 is 5, 5 to the 1, or sorry, 5 to the 0 is 1, 5 to the first is 5, 5 squared 25, and 5 cubed is 125. You're right here, so you get 2 upgrades. Am I spelling prestige wrong? That's funny. I definitely am. I am dyslexic and doing my best. Yeah, back to what I was saying, like, it just sucks that college burns a lot of people out on coding, because I seriously think like the amount of people that would be excellent programmers if they just tried to give it another shot, like in a way that wasn't as pressurized as college, or like as unsure, like, because when you enter college you don't really know what you want for your major to be sometimes, and so you just pick CS and then you don't like it and then you just never try it again. It sucks. Yeah. You go to autofill words for you. Did you ever mess up so bad that the autofill can't even help you? You try to spell a word and it clicks on it and just says no suggestions. You're like, okay. You're beyond help at that point. We've tried everything, but you have to carry on this fight on your own. Yeah, then you're things get dicey. You try to spell scissors. Is that right? What you just typed? Is it the scissors? It looks like scissors. It vibes like scissors, you feel me? Okay, so we have yeah, we have these guys. Well, we already have them. We already look at that. Equals ln, oh, this needs to be passed. This divided by ln speed log base, like that. I'm gonna do this for all of the upgrades. Is it log? Are you happy now? Yeah, it's log. Log. There we go. Never need to write or type the word. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. I don't think I could nail it off the dome. It's too many S noises, right? Say this word. It's just scissors. That's all S. Like, at no point am I not making an S noise. How am I supposed to spell that? It's got 5 S noise producing characters. It's absurd. Okay, we do this for all of these things. Yeah. Next game amount. Actually, I can just do this. Yeah. Yeah. What the? No. Yeah. Doop. And do the same for this. And the same for this. And the same for this. Nice. Okay. Next we need to set all of the text to update each of these things individually. But the text are all the same kind of text. So, let me see. Amount, this one should be damage. This one should be duration. Duration, yeah. Where's the nerd emote? Oh, I totally forgot, sorry. I'll add it today, Let me add it. Add a note. Nerd emote. So sorry. Also, hey Toast, how's it going? Just telling Tony I started my American History 1877 class and fell asleep for 30 seconds and shook up when I oh no. I also fell asleep in history class. That was the one that I just like, I have just negative interest in any of these topics. Hey Muji, how's my day been? I'm sleepy. I did not sleep very well last night. But I'm okay. I went to the arcade still, studied some Japanese. It was good. Good day. Productive day still, despite being real sleepy. How's it going for you, Muji? So I failed American politics last semester? Seriously, I'm just like math? Okay, we're doing something cool, right? English? I suck at that one, so it's like a challenge, right? I'm pushing myself, you know? Feeling good about that. History? I don't care. I don't... It already happened, bro. It's not gonna happen again. Like... Those, you know how they say like... They always say like those who fail history don't learn history. Or what is it? I don't even remember. Those who don't learn from history are doomed to repeat its mistakes. I am not in charge of a country. And I don't ever want to be. So, like, we're good on that. I'm just gonna make games. That's okay. I'm not... What history of games should I avoid repeating? I don't think there's any, like... I think I'm alright, you know? Yeah, if you want to be the president, Skygray 4 president, not do that. We don't want that. Probably have a pretty sick presidential Minecraft server though. Thoughts? I need a suit. I'd wear this. I'd still wear this. I'm not gonna change because I'm the president. Ugh. Oh, thank you. Hey, it's good to hear, Muji. Sorry if you were also sleepy. Maybe it's just a sleepy day for everybody. Random question, would you ever get in the habit of calling soda pop? What are you talking about? Yeah, I'm from Michigan, dude. It's pop. I started calling it soda after a while when I lived in Texas for too long because people always made fun of me when I called it pop. But, yeah, of course I call it pop, dude. What? Come on. Come on. You'd be one of those weird people that calls everything cola or Coca-Cola. Californians call soda soda. It's pop, bro. Don't just tell you. Talking about earlier, we want to make sure the same club. Oh yeah, I wouldn't abandon my roots, you know. Dude, that was the weirdest thing when I was in I think it was Alabama or maybe Georgia. I was at a diner in Georgia, and the like waitress comes up. She's like, "Oh, you want to?" You know, like, what do you want for food? I was like, oh, this thing. She's like, what do you want to drink? And I'm like, oh, a Coke? And she's like, what kind? What? What do you mean, what kind? I was like, vanilla? She's like, what is that? I was like, what? What? Eh? Coke is like the word for soda in the southern part of the US. So it's like, oh, do you want a Coke? Like, yeah, I want a Coke. What kind? Oh, 7-Up. What? Eh? Yeah, how do you classify Coke as all pop? It makes no sense. Yeah, if you want a Coke, you want a Coca-Cola. It's not okay. It's not okay. I don't like it. I'm confused. I'm scared. Someone come pick me up. Okay, time to update text. Let's make a function for it. Update modal text. Yeah. Wait, these are already scoped. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Make this function func. Nope. That. And this is gonna say for upgrade in. Can you do this? Can you is zip in Godot? Is this legal? Zip. No. BRB? No worries, no worries, no. Hi Panda, how's it going? How are you? How are you? Welcome, welcome. Can't do zip. So I will make my own list. Var, what do I call this? Upgrade text pair, like that. We're gonna do this. We're gonna say, oh, actually, this is gonna be empty for now, because I need wait, what? I need references to the children. Promise to join your live. I saw that. Yeah, I'm glad you could make it. Sorry you missed the last one. I stream at really weird hours, so my apologies. So what I'm gonna do here is this, and prestige speed, like this. So I have the upgrade and I have the thing it's pointing to. Expected this after closing. What are you talking about? Can I not do this? I have to do this? Wait, what? What? This maybe? Ugh, that's gross. I don't like this. This is gross. Yeah, no, I'm gonna make a class for this. Class upgrade text pair. It's gonna have the upgrade, var upgrade, var text, and then func init upgrade and text. Wait, scoping thing, hey. So upgrade equals upgrade and text equals text, like that. Yeah. And then this will be pairs, plural. Go here. You have to go? No worries, man. It was good seeing you for 2 minutes. Take it easy. Hope to see you around again. Grid text pair. But we name things properly, huh? We're gonna have speed and then the speed text. Prestige speed, like that. Yep. Came to say hi. I'm glad you stopped by. Thank you. I appreciate it. Like I said, hope to see you around again. Very kind of you to stop by for, even if you just have a second to say hello. Alright. Promise to join next time? Hold me to it. If I don't see you here next time. Turn on notifications. You are. You do not deserve that. Damage. Yeah. Prestige damage. Wait, what? This should be amount. Did I order these wrong? No, this is fine. I just can't read. Yay! Upgrade text pair, the last one. Duration and prestige duration, like that. Okay, so now what's wrong? Where? Oh, right. For upgrade pair in. Your final words are yeah, man. Yeah. Could have said it better myself. Upgrade equals this thing to upgrade. No, this thing to upgrade. Gonna go make some food and get ready for bed. Good luck with the game. Be lurking around in the shadows so you sleep. Aw, thanks, man. I need to get like a lurk command or something, but it's good to see you. Thanks for stopping by. Hope your stream went well. Thank you again. Upgrade var text equals upgrade text. What the? Paired text. What? Dude, I get like a little bit sleepy. I just cannot type correctly. Upgrade text pair is not a function. Not supposed to be a function. It's a class. What are you talking about? What? Member upgrade text pair is not a function. I know. This guy. What are you talking about? Why does this work? How did I do it here? Nah. Wait, I need shop option. Where did I put shop option? Wait, what? Shop. Oh, no, I need upgrades. Upgrades. Yeah. Alright, how did I do this? Class. And then the things. Yeah, we're good. What are you talking about? Why are you mad at me? You confused me. This guy, no? This? Do I have this, like, scoped weird? What the heck? I'm so confused. Can I, like, pull these up side by side? Oh, it's fine. It just has the init, so it should be good. Should be. Are you just parsing this wrong? Oh, that. Not new? What do you call this? Don't remember. What did I do here? Ah, dot new. And then you add the arguments. Okay. I see. Dot new, like that. You happy now? Oh, you're happy now. Yay. I just want to make you happy. Okay. Let's, game opens. That's good. Let's make it so we die, like, instantly. After killing, like, 1 or 2 tiles. Zoop. Get him. Get him, dude. Well. Hey, Saphir, how's it going? How are you? Cool, didn't crash. Button still doesn't work, but it didn't crash. That's progress. Okay, so we say text.text equals, let's go ahead and yoink what it looks like before we add anything. Game reminds you of One Piece. Why do you say that? I'm curious. Plus, I'm gonna say string upgrade. Wait. Yeah. Upgrade, like that. Hey, welcome back, Bass Boy. Welcome back. Okay, now we destroy something and it should tell us it's going to crash. Yeah, it's all null. Oops. We didn't set the ratios. That is why. Speed log base. Speed is kind of like a non-thing, so I'm gonna say 2. Amount log base, I'm gonna say 10. Because amount is really good. I want to speak to Yoda someday. Like the actor or the like... The actor wouldn't be too difficult. The actual like character? That might be tricky. I'm gonna say 10 for this as well. Duration 5. How about? So this means at 1,000 tiles killed, the next game you start with 2 extra amount and 2 extra damage. That good? Happy with that? No. Don't know. No. Oh. Interesting. Even with the log basis set, you still don't have anything here, huh? Can I do like floor? Why are you saying no? Why do you hate me? This? Yeah. That's confusing. Well, let's do what we always do. Just print it out, see what happens. Die. I'm hoping it just comes out to be 0 now. Still no. But it says 2 here. It says 2 here a lot of times. Why? Oh, it's running for each time the game is like technically ended. This is just this value, no? Yeah, next game speed. which is 2. Plus this. Can I print the upgrade, maybe? Maybe this is getting so weird. Maybe? I don't know. I don't know why it's doing that. Bonk. It's null so many times. Interesting. Are we not passing the total killed in? This is weird. This is the pair. It's the speed plus this thing. Okay. Okay, so first let's make sure these are all getting set correctly. I'm just gonna fill this out real quick. Let's just print these values. I just want to see what they get calculated as. And next game duration. I just want to see if they like math is happening. Purposely speak Yoda to your futures. Oh, you want to talk like in funny words you would like to talk with. Yeah, no, this works. Why? Why? So this is set correctly. Are the references in here not working? Is the class not being built correctly? What if I set all these to 0 to start with? Even though they're not all going to be 0. Maybe it doesn't like that if they don't have a value set? Maybe? I don't know. I'm doing my best. You feel me? Okay. They're all 0 now. Sick. But that doesn't solve the problem of them not getting their values updated here. Hey Druva, how's it going? Hello, game releaser. Dude, I went to go download your game. So I posted in the Discord that I yoinked it, right? Let's see if this is still happening. Let me grab. So Keshivox made a game. Put it in the Discord. This is the game. Spooky. But I went to download it. Oh, you're good. Never mind. It worked today. Okay. Yesterday I went to download it and it said it had 16 hours of downloading left. So I was like, okay. I left my computer on for a while and I came back and it was still like 16 hours. But it's working today. So. Maybe itch just needed to catch up. Oh, speaking of itch, I'm so excited for the next game I'm gonna make. I found a bunch of assets that I want to use. I'm gonna keep it a surprise for now, but I'm very excited for the next game. So I just want to finish this one. Just be done with it, you know? Okay, why are you unhappy, huh? Can I... When does this modal text get updated? Is it not taking... Is it... Oh... So... This is getting passed by value, not by reference. That's why this is happening. This isn't taking a reference to the actual variable here. I see. Okay, well, I'm gonna tell you what. We're very close to the end. What if we simply just do something like this, huh? Text base text equals. Feeling me? Picking up what I'm putting down here? And then we just say prestige speed equals base text plus string next game speed. Good enough. The identifier attributes access. Oh, right. Dot text. Yeah. There you go. Zoop. So this will be amount, next game amount, Should I be doing it like this? No. Am I doing it like this? Yeah. Damage. Putting it down because I don't think anything will happen putting it up. Wait. Speaking of unorganized, different people to child. Oh, I understand now. I'm being Yoda'd. You texted that? I thought I was just having a stroke or something. I couldn't understand it. Duration. Game duration. Like that. Alright, is everyone happy now? Happy? Do I know Adam C. Eunice? I do not. Who is that? Yay! It worked. Alright, I'm curious now. I'm sleepy, I'm not seeing things straight. True. My bad. I need to add something more to the checklist. Checklist. Add game over line. So that way you can actually see when you're gonna die. My game. Game. Zoop, 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 zoop. We'll let this run for a little bit. Drink some water, chill out for a sec. Oh, we're so powerful. This is so sick. So, done with the ratios. We need to actually apply the upgrade. Oh, apply prestige upgrades. That comes later. Okay. Add game over line. Let's do scientific notation next. I think that makes the most sense to me. That way we can see like big numbers like this. So what we need to do is make a new script here. Create new script. We're going to call it sci int. Maybe just call it scientific. Yeah, I need to abbreviate this. Rename. Scientific integer. Yeah. Okay, it doesn't extend node, it's just class name. Scientific integer. Yeah. And what this is going to do is basically we're going to overwrite the string representation to take whatever value it has stored. So it's going to have some value. And then we need to overwrite the repr function. Godot. String function. We need to rewrite this function call. Okay. This maybe? String from. Node path from? You know the best way to make pixel art, I recommend you see his video lecture. Guy's awesome. Ooh, I might check that out. I usually leave the art to artists because I prefer just doing the coding part. Oops, that is my streaming tab. Hang on. Oopsies. That's so weird. I closed everything and everyone stopped talking. Oh, it's so strange. Yeah, I usually just leave the art to the artists because I prefer doing the coding. Big fan of not being a one-man army when it comes to game dev. But I will definitely check it out because I want to learn pixel art. If we have some downtime, I'll do it. Okay. Is there like a repr? How does this function? How do you do? String from. I guess I need the little string. I need this function. I don't know if my question makes sense, but how different is it to represent objects moving and interacting and numbers displayed changing? So for most of the numbers you see on here, they are like an integer that's getting turned into a string. So most of the time, like if we actually look at one of these functions, let me look at this thing. Where's the money? I think it's an environment. Kill area, right? Cannons, tiles, shop. There's money here. Where did I put the money? This thing, where are you? Where do you live? Only this is shop. Money text. Where's money text? I don't see money. Oh, here it is. Yeah, so if you see the way that this gets like displayed on the actual screen is by turning whatever is inside this function into a string. because it's just setting the text. So the tiles do the same thing. They take a number and turn it into a string. So if we rewrite the method that says a integer turn into a string to say turn into a scientific string, then everywhere we use these integers, it will automatically turn into like, instead of saying 1,000, it's like 1.00k. Yeah. I hope that answers your question. It might make more sense once we actually do this. Where's my thing? Let's see. Repr equivalent Godot. Yeah, this thing, this string. It looks like print comes from the text print case. In turn, it uses print line to display content that accepts a string. Most methods which end up as strings go through a variant sorting. I mean, we can always write our own thing too. Oh, it's toString. Yeah? Oh, no, it doesn't. According to the Godot API, the base object have a virtual method called a toString that can be overridden, meaning that you can use toString in Godot like you. Okay, cool. So if we do something like func toString, take an argument? No. Print as I'm a number, smiley face. Cool. So now, anytime we have a value, so for example, in the tiles, this value, no, this is the tile. I need the prefab. Give me the prefabs tiles. So you see how this tile has an HP? We're going to say HP is a scientific integer. HP equals new scientific integer dot new 100, like that. Oh, we need to update our thing. So function init value equals underscore value, like that. Now this is gonna break because nope, it doesn't break. What the? Hang on. Why? Definitely should break. Okay. Where do we do the thing where we yeah, HP text equals what? Why is this just working? It shouldn't just work, it should crash. What? Maybe when it updates the text? Alright, it's suspicious when you're coding and you run things and it works the first time. It's more suspicious when you expect it to crash and it doesn't. Uh-oh. Okay, ready. Collision error, yeah. Process, position, on-ball height, decrement HP. Update text. When does update text? Yeah, why isn't the crash crashing? It should crash. And it's not crashing. Crash. Now you don't crash? The one time? Text equals string HP. But you don't have it. You don't have this. You don't work like that. What? Shouldn't this not even have the reference to the class? It doesn't exist yet. What is going? Hang on. How did we do this with the shop? Because the shop imports stuff. Yeah, upgrades import. So we need to import something like this. Okay. So we say var scientific integer import equals load. Then we need the script for the scientific integer. Copy path. Give me this guy. Cool. And then we do this. Maybe? There we go. What? On base GD script? What are you talking about? You're not a script. Who said you're a script? You're no script of mine. Oh, wait, GD script is correct. I just thought it was node. Valid index scientific integer. Like this? Oh, wait. Yeah. Sorry. Should be like this. Okay, that explains why it's not crashing. It actually was like just a node 2D that we could use. Okay. Now it should crash. Right? What? Why? Why is it just working? Does the rep file already... There's no way this should work. I'm so confused. It's using this class, right? It's doing this dot new. I don't know, there's too much stuff open. Integer plus the tile prefab. Want the script. Yeah, tile. What the heck? Not new, right? And I just like... Oh, I know what it is. 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 We set the HP externally. Watch. Set HP value. HP equals... That's why. It was getting overwritten immediately. Equals this value. There we go. And then in the parent manager, tiles, when it's spawning a new tile, new tile is instantiate new tile's position. New tile value equals this. Set value. It's in the set value function. Yeah, so we're just setting the HP directly to the value. Okay. Then this we say instead. Use scientific. Did I just say scientific integer? Scientific integer dot new value. Can I do that? Not declared in current scope. All right. You like that? Why don't you? Like that. Happy? Happy. Crash? Crash. There we go. Cool. Okay, so we need to find invalid type and utility function log cannot convert argument 1 from object to float. So we need to define the toFloat thing here as well. So we do like func toFloat, float, return value. Should be able to convert to a float now. Cannot convert argument 1 from object to float. Yeah, you can. You're fine. How about this? Are you happy now? Did I make you happy? Non-existent float constructor. How do you turn something into a float then, huh? It'll answer me that one. Asked to float, Godot. Let's see. Just do float, man. What are you talking about? Float from float. Non-existent float constructor. Okay, how about we do? How about you? How about we do this? Happy? Oh. Oh no. This is interesting. That's a lot of... Hey, I'm a number. Uh-huh. Okay. It's, there's a lot going on here. Value equals value. The text then... Wait, what? Do we need to do... Where are we printing this? Putting the text here. Do we do HP2 string? Like this. Yeah, we'll just define a 2 string, that's fine. Do 2 string like this. Return. Oh, wait. Not print. I'm silly. Return. Cool. I'm a number. It's working. HP.value plus, oops. Dot value. Actually, can I do... No, I'd have to overload, or I'd have to, like, write a bunch of constructors. This. Yeah. I think I just want to do this. Cool. Let's see if it crashes now. When it bonks. No crash. Sick. So instead of saying I'm a number, it should actually print out the thing in scientific notation. Okay. How to convert a big number to scientific notation. So we only care about the first 3 digits. So how do we do that? No crash? You just gotta ask it really nicely. Earlier I was trying to get it to crash, and then it wasn't crashing. It doesn't make any sense, I tell you. So we need to get first 3 digits. Okay, well first we say if value is less than 1,000, return string value. Then we're fine. If it's here, we're chilling, no worries. If it's bigger than that, we need to print the first 3 values and then a prefix. So how do we get the first 3 numbers of an integer? I think that you probably bit shift. Values of integer, Godot. Probably bit shift? Could you? Wait a second. Watch this, watch this, watch this. First 3 digits equals string value. Can you do string slicing? Godot. String slicing. Can you do this? Substring. You're nice to have a second paragraph of substring be optional. No. How do I do this? Substring. Godot. Substring. Int from int length equals -1. So int from should be 0. Dot substring 0 to 3. I'm gonna say integer of that thing. Oh, substring like that. Yeah, so this will give us, this will chop, it'll give us 0, 1, and 2. So this will give us the first 3 numbers. And then we need to add a decimal. So first 3, oh, we need to get the power too. Okay, let me think about this. So assumption is value is greater than 1,000. I guess greater than or equal to 1,000. We get the first 3 digits. Then we take the log of the number. The log will tell us log divided by 3, sorry. This divided by 3 gives us the prefix, or postfix, sorry. And x mod 3 gives us the decimal position. All right. So power equals log value divided by log 10, like that. And then decimal position equals power mod 3. And then we can return the constructed string here, which will be, oh, we need a Roman numeral thing for powers of 10. Because it's 1,000 is K, and then a million is M. K, M, B, T. Next. Yeah. This. So K, billion, trillion. I guess it's just Q after that. Bar power map equals, so 1 goes to K. Or wait. I don't want to do this. I have to think about this. Okay, no, okay, I'm gonna do this in a list. Postfix list, like this. So it's K, and then million, billion, trillion, quadrillion, quintillion. Yeah. QI? Quintillion, sextillion, nonillion, hexillion? Is it hexillion? Hexillion. Number. Or heptillion? Heptillion. Maybe? Names for large numbers. Help me out here. Billion, trillion, quadrillion, quintillion. It's called a QU. QU, QI. QU, QI, sextillion, septillion. Sextillion. SE, SP. Octillion. Right. Nonillion. And if you get past that, you win. I don't know. You've played the game too long. If you get past this number, find a new game. Okay. Yeah. So power, this number divided by 3. 4 of this number divided by 3. Divided by 3. So if it's 1,000, this is going to spit out 1. 1 divided by 3 is 0. That goes to k. Good. If it's a million, what's ln of a million? Natural log of a million? Don't know off the top of my head. Log 10, 1 million. Go. That's not correct. Log 10, 100,000. Or 1 million? 6. If it's 6, 6 divided by 3 is 2. So it'll go to the second thing? That's not right. Should be 1 less. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Minus 1? That's a lot of magic numbers going around, but I think this is okay. Decimal position is... Oh, wait. Okay, no. This gets us the actual power of the thing, right? Yeah. So var symbol equals power divided by 3 minus 1. And the decimal position is the power %3. Yeah. So we return... Wait. So we take var first 3 digits dot insert, I think? How do I insert something into a string? Insert into string Godot. Gotta be a method for that, right? Gotta be. Why would they not? They wouldn't not build that, right? Insert at index, okay. So insert at decimal position, a decimal. And then you have to return that thing? Yeah, you do. You say this equals this. And then add the symbol at the end, like that. Okay, let's test this out. Oh, and then return it. This thing. So, if it's less than 1,000, immediately nothing should change. So, looks like nothing has changed. Excellent. So now, we go to the tiles. And we're going to say... set HP to, what do I say the initial thing is? Tile speed, initial row spawn, speed curve. Oh, is this an economy class? It's more like a very rusty math class, but yeah. It's the right vibe. Where do I set the HP? Tile value, spawn new tile. New tile value gets generate tile value. Generate tile value. Ignore this for now. Just return 1,000. So this should be 1.00k. It crashed. Oh. Invalid operands float and int. Oh. Wait. This needs to be int. Wait, this is int. It's floor. What are you talking about? This isn't a float, guy. Get over yourself. Non-existent function insert on base int. What? This should be a string? Yeah, that's what am I doing? This is a string. Yeah. No worries. Okay. Still nothing. String and int operator plus equals. Oh, plus equals string. Wait, what? Why is this a... Eh? Valid operation string and int and operator plus. This isn't, Oh, we need to actually get the symbol out. It is postfix list. Index. This thing. There we go. Right now. 1.00n. That's not right. That number's too big. Why is it getting n? Eh? That's the one at the end of the list. It should be the first thing in the list. Print power. I'm curious. It's 2. Yeah. 2 divided by 3 minus 1 is... I need to do an int here? Maybe? Still 2. What? I mean, 2 is correct because it's 10 to the power of 2. Or wait, it's 10 to the power of 3 actually. 1,000. Yeah, 1,000 is 10 to the power of 3. Right? 10 to the first is 10. 10 squared is 100. 10 cubed is 1,000. Yeah. Why is this... This is wrong. That's... I don't care about this right now. Decimal position equals... There. Wait, we'll just say int for now. I don't care. It's 2. Why is it 2? 1,000... The log of 1,000 is not 2. What are you talking about? Eh? Wait. Log value. Value is less than 1,000 to do that, so it's 1,000 exactly. Do I take away the floor? Maybe? I'm sure. Now it's 3. What? Eh? That's really weird. Can I? Why am I doing this? How about I just do this? Equals len string value. Boom. Equivalent. Minus 1. There you go. No logarithm needed. Just use the length of the string. Much better. 100k. We're getting closer. So now this is set correctly. So if this is 3, it's going to be 3 divided by 3 is 0. Or 3 divided by 3 is 1 minus 1 is 0, so it goes to k. Perfect. Decimal position equals int. It's already is an int of power %3. In this case, it is 3. So 3% 3 is 0. That's not actually correct. It should be +1. Yeah. So if I do this now, 1.00k. And if I hit it one time, it goes to 999. Nice. Getting there. Cool. Okay. Let's go to a higher number and make sure it still works. But 10,000, this should be 10.0k. Nice. And if I go to 100,000, it should be 100k. Oh, it still has a decimal. That looks a little weird, actually. It should be 100k though. That's correct. So maybe I do. Go back to here. If decimal position less than 3. Yeah. Oops. Oh, here you go. Otherwise, just return the values. Now it's 100k. Yep, and if it hits one time, it should go to 99.9. It's working. Fortunately, that doesn't fit though. We need to make the text a little bit smaller. So let's go to the tiles. The tile prefab. Yeah. And we'll set it to 30. See if that fits. Everything look okay? 100K? Hit it one time. Bonk. 99.9. Yeah. Cool. Give ourselves a bunch of cannons and a bunch more damage. And a bunch less cooldown. I think these are too powerful. I don't think we can kill these. Yeah, nope. But we're making a little bit of progress. 99.7. We're gonna get there. Some amount. The good news is if we kill one of these, we'll make like so much money though. We've got like a laser beam going on. We're getting there. I think we're probably gonna die. Yeah, we're gonna die. Good night, sweet prince. I can't like focus the cannons anymore. That's too low. Oh no. Alright. Let's test a few more values. Test a million. 1.00 million. If I hit it, it should go to 99 or 999k. Yes, dude. 10 million. They're invisible now. They still make a noise. Cool. Scientific notation is working. Okay. Set this back to working how it's supposed to. So what else in the game needs to have scientific notation? The shop costs needed as well. So that is shop upgrades, I believe. Yeah. Lost this part. These are the signals. I want the actual amount upgrade, or yeah, upgrades imports. So this is upgrades here. So instead of the price being an int, this is going to be a scientific integer. Yeah. How do I... Yeah, grab this guy. We need to import it like we did with the tiles. Grab this. Drop it in. Oops. Like this. And value equals this guy. You happy? Is a variable but does not contain a type. What? This thing. Why do you hate me? It should just be this, no? Hello? No? Okay. Fine. Be that way. I'll do it this way instead. Dot scientific integer dot new. Like this. Happy? Not happy. Do I? Can I not do this because it's not a node? I have to do this? That means each one of these has this as an instance though. That's probably fine. Probably fine, don't worry about it. Okay. So, or actually, the price, let's have the price be the same. Yeah, let's have price just work as price. But we'll have the toString converted to a scientific integer. toString return, wait, price toString return increase price maybe. Yeah. Okay. So this is still gonna be an int var sci integer int. No, it'll just make the whole thing. Yeah, this is fine. Dot scientific integer dot new price, like so. And then for increment price count, we're gonna say price dot value, like that. And this is no longer an int. This is this class. Yeah. No. Fine. Last Thursday, I found an Amazon Kindle that was practically dead. No charge at all. I hid him thinking it was a good idea. You took it home today? Wait, what? There's just a free Kindle? Yeah, if it's been like a week, I feel like that's your Kindle now. I don't know. Maybe like take it to a lost and found or something? Was there anything nearby, or was it just like in the middle of the road? Put in your best effort, and if there's like nothing nearby, then it's just gonna sit there, you know? Okay, so if I crash, huh? Ah, dot value. Let's see where else this is gonna crash. Nowhere. Okay, if I... Oh. Stop upgrade option connect. Wait, where did this crash? Shop. Click. Var cost equals upgrade price dot value -1. Shop. Click. Price dot value dot. Wait, what? Invalid operates object. Oh, price dot value. Okay, now it should work. And if we go high enough, it goes to the yeah, dude. It's working. Yay. Wait, I meant to make sure this actually is like applying still. Go. Cool. Nice. Okay, last thing we need to do is the money. I looked around for more in the other studio rooms. If it was like for a class or something, but just happened to be in the room I was practicing. It was there for the whole week in the music studio. You could maybe ask like the people that run the studio if anyone's like missing a Kindle. The problem is if you like put it in a lost and found, then people are just going to take it, right? Like that's the problem with putting like valuable things in a lost and found. It's like, or if you like ask people directly, like, are you missing a Kindle? Like, yes. And then they give you a Kindle. Now you have a free Kindle. That's a name that's familiar when I asked the professor. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah. But I mean, at some point, like, no one asked them about it and put in your best effort. I don't know. The school could get some use. What? Oh, wait. Dot value. Price dot value. I forgot this one has a special. This one just had to be special, didn't it? First Canon is cheap. Don't have an Amazon account anyways? Yeah, that thing is like stone useless then, huh? Cool. Go my cannons. Pew pew. Bonk bonk. Bonk bonk. Cool. Alright, last thing is price. Go to the main, please. You, yes. Scientific integer. Nope. Files. Grab this. We're gonna need this in main. We're gonna say, where's money text? Where's our money? Money equals scientific integer dot new. We'll still give ourselves $10,000. Why not? And then where's this break? Here. Toggle buttons if shop.value is equal to money.value. Wait. Oh, this is in the shop. Okay, the main should pass. It should be the one to dereference the toggle buttons money.value. That should fix it. What else? Money.value plus equals delta. And here we say that should already fix that. If I click here, no? Not valid operands float an object. Wait, toggle button should only be passed. Oh, here. Okay. Should work now? Yep. Nice. Cool. Dude, it's working. Let's go. Alright, the cooldown scale's a little too quickly, huh? Yeah. Let's adjust the upgrades a little bit. But I think like that's basically everything now. Where do I put the upgrades? Upgrades. Yeah. Where's the cooldown? Oh, it's just dividing by the purchase count. No, no. No, that's bad. Can I do 1 minus? Wait. Did I do 2 divided by this? Like this? Then the floor is always 2 seconds? That doesn't sound right. It should be... Well, no, because you can fire like a bunch at a time. Yeah, I'll set the floor to be 2 seconds. It won't scale as harshly. I think it's 6 of these. What does this look like? Hello? I mean, you're just going to construct a laser beam at some point. Yeah. Pew, pew, pew. Maybe I should have the cooldown start at the end of all of the things firing. Yeah. That would make this scale better. For whatever reason, the time and date on the Kindle was 4:57 p.m. May 7, 2023. Do you think it's been there for like 9 months then? If the time is that old on the Kindle? That would be very strange if that were the case. Someone has lost a Kindle for like 9 years in a publicly open space. Is it like a busy practice studio? There's no way it could have survived that long, right? That'd be insane, no? Yeah, I like this being set back to 1 better. And then in here, where does it actually fire the autocannons? Spawn cannon, update cannon, connected cannon, signal, fire cannons for cannon and get children fire. Where does it reset the cooldown? Can I do await? Await fire cannons, time left to fire equals cool. Does this work? This isn't an async call, actually. This should wait for everything to fire. Why is there no gap between the firing, then? Right? Because this sets it after. This isn't an async call. Right? Time left to fire equals cooldown. Yeah. Print firing cannons. What? That doesn't make any sense. Cannons fired. Print cooldown. Time left to fire. Yeah, that's confusing. This should do firing cannons, cannons fire, cooldown 5. It should do it for each one. There always should be a gap between, no matter what the amount is, right? Give ourselves 1 billion of this. So now it should fire 14 and then have a gap for 2 seconds, right? No, there's no gap at all. You can see where it starts to overlap too. What? So this is async. Oh, I know why it's async. Because we have an await call for the cannons. We have in the prefab. Yeah. We have await, get recreate timer, timeout. Weird. How to fix this? Can I do signal finished firing? Like this? Yeah, we can do this. Signal finished firing. That way this can still have the await and be asynchronous. Oops. Finished firing dot emit, like that. Now here we connect to the signal. Let's see where the signals are at. Cannon aim, spawn, connect to cannon signals. cannon.finished firing.connect on cannon finished firing. And all this function is going to do is set the cooldown back to 0. Where is that? Where's fire cannons? Time left to fire equals cooldown. This is actually going to get a couple of calls, but I think it's okay because the last one should be the one that resets the call anyways. Wait, what? Just do this. So now it should, if we have a ton of these, it should wait for it to be finished before it spawns the next chunk. I don't know how that happened. Oh, we've created a beam. And it's really laggy. I see. Interesting. That's not quite right. Oh, this needs to be cooldown. And then it's gonna just keep bumping up the cooldown. That's better, yeah. Cooldown amount. Now it should fire. It's still going forever. Why is that? Why is it doing that? Print time left to fire. It should get. It should. Why is it? Hang on. It gets set back to 2, but these things are just going off. How many do I have? 11? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It should stop. It should stop. 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 Hey, 1918. I don't know what to call you for short. How's it going? Welcome back. Of course I didn't forget you. It's been like 3 days. I think I forgot you already. I need to go see a doctor. KN is fine? Alright, you got it, KN. Yeah, I remember it's spelled Karina, but I don't know if you preferred to go by the numbers. Okay. This should still... I'm still confused why this is firing. Fire cannons, perhaps lock cannons? Or... time left to fire equals 0. Cannons can fire? Maybe? Hey Roy, how's it going? Super late today, sorry I was with school. You don't need to apologize, are you kidding me? I'm just glad you're here. No worries, man. Take your time, all good. Oh, cool. Far cannons can fire equals true. Once we start firing, cannons can fire equals false. And then in the signal, equals true. This sets it back to true. Now it shoots. I need like a ton of amount. Do you see your little situation up in chat? Huh? What you mean? Oh, hey, that works. It successfully pauses in between shots now. What if I reduce the cooldown by 1 billion? Cool. Cool. That's the right amount of delay. Okay, that's another thing solved. What else? That's done. That's done. At a game over line. Yeah, we need to make this like a super simple line. You go by Bash sometimes? Interesting. I would just call you Bass Boy, but I can call you Bash if you want. Bash sounds cooler. Bash sounds like you're like in terminal. You're hacker man. Sounds like you have 9 pairs of sunglasses on. Okay. What was I doing in here? Oh no, I need GIMP. What am I in Paint for? Get out of here. Okay. just need a red line. I make like a dotted red line. New. 512. At 512. Yeah. Color. Color to alpha. Done. And then just a line will do. That's all I need. Oops. I'm gonna have to look up how to do this. GIMP dotted line. Think creatively. You can often use existing tools in new useful ways, like using GIMP at all. Open GIMP's like Paths tool. Okay. It's the tool sits next to the tool that looks like an eyedropper. I don't have an eyedropper. I have the zoom tool. I need paths. Where's paths? Let's do some guides too. New guide. Horizontal 50%. Perfect. Oop. Sweet. That's a perfect one. Now you're talking to Sky when you said, oh yeah. Dude, that's how I feel when I'm like talking to chat, because I don't see it on the screen. I see it like off to the screen. I just feel like I'm shouting into the voice, especially when I bounce between YouTube and Twitch. Speaking of, Roy, I prefer Twitch, but it doesn't really matter that much. If you are more comfortable with YouTube, use YouTube. It's totally fine either way though. Just glad you're here. Either way is cool. I don't know why I prefer Twitch. I get better results on YouTube, but it just feels like Twitch is the place you're supposed to do this kind of. I don't know. What if I just schizo moments? Yeah, you get it, man. Can I just do like? Wait, this is the worst way ever to do this. No, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Image. Grid. Give me a grid. That wasn't very grid. What? Give me a grid. What are you talking about? This grid sucks. Guides? No, stop. Guides. New guide percent. Say vertical 10. Image guides. New guide 20. Zoop. Guide. New guide 30. And then we can just do something like this. Done. Prop it up. Oh, we need one more guide actually. One more guide. 40. And then we just give it a little crop. Snap to the guide. Crop. And then crop this way too. Yep. And there we go. There's our dotted line. Oh, we need to copy and paste this actually. We do something like this. Move it. What? I just want to move this layer. Wait, stop it. Why is it doing this? There we go. Snap it onto the guide. Give me another one. Should be right here. Yeah. Done. Easy. By the way, Sky, what was your goal today for the game? I kind of want to finish it. We just need to do the game over line and then the game over like reset functionality, and then it's done. I need to do player data saving too. But we're getting really close. So I'm hoping pretty soon here. Pretty soon it'll just be done. Get rid of that guy. We'll see. Grab this. I need the extra space like that. And export it. Good enough. Export as. Today last day for the game? No, we still have technically 5 more days, but I need to do like release stuff, which is gonna take a bunch of time too. Like actually posting up the APKs and the stuff up onto the App Store and everything. So it's still gonna be a while before like it's actually playable. So I'm saving myself a little bit of time to do random release activities. Dad reads comic books and Star Wars in his free time. You gotta get that guy his Kindle back. That poor guy's missing all of his Star Wars novels. Factive. Godot. Assets. Sprites. Game over line. Oop. Still exciting. Today might be the last day. I'm hoping so. We'll see. It might be a little optimistic. Maybe tomorrow will be the last day. We'll see. Make these a little darker. What the? Oh, who's this guy? Yeah. Export. Re-export it. Yeah. There's some other stuff I want to like polish up as well. But I might do that like after. I just want to get the game, like some version of the game released, and then I can work on polishing. So we'll see. Where's the game over line? This guy. Add sprite. Oh, also I have to do resolution scaling, which is going to be really annoying. Because phones have different resolutions. So you have to fix the screen to all the different resolutions. It's really cool. Very excited about that. It was a mega pain for my last game, which is why I'm like kind of dreading it. How does that look? It could be a little less opaque. Oh yeah, we're releasing the game. Oh yeah. I think I'm gonna release and then worry about doing like the final release activities. So I might do like a beta version that people can play, because I know I have the beta tester role in Discord too. So should be able to play it really soon, hopefully. Either way though, I'm excited to move on because I found a bunch of assets today for a new game that I want to make. So I'm like very motivated to finish this just so I can go work on new stuff. Best part of game dev is the future next game, you know? The one you haven't started yet that's so perfect. And nothing will go wrong and everything will work exactly the way you want it to. Very excited to make that new game. Unlike this one, which was just always a bad idea since the start, right? Alright. You gonna play the game then? Oh, please. Oh, that's so nice. Feels so cool since you got to watch a bit of the process. Aw. Well, hey, it'll be posted up in Discord too, so no worries. If you want to play the game, you will be able to play the game. Make sure of it. How could you play it? Specific website? You got games on your phone? Don't you guys have phone? It'll be on App Store and Android Store. But for the beta test for Android, I'm gonna need to just drop the APK into the channel and have people test it. So if you have an Android phone, you might need to use the APK version first before it gets released to the store. Don't got class tomorrow? Nah, we don't got class. Stay up. Have a good time. Just wreck your sleep schedule. Wreck your sleep schedule for one viewer for me. What app store? Android and iOS. Both of them. Okay. Last thing I want to do is set the money to be none money. Start the game with no money. And now we can properly play the game. Let's see if this is actually playable. Or if I need to slow it down or something. Yeah. But yeah, if this game does well, I'm gonna probably add more features to it too, like leaderboards and stuff like that. But I'm gonna release the base version first, see if it does well, see if it's worth putting more time into, or if I should move on to new games and stuff like that. So we'll see. I'm excited to get this done, put it in the FFS Discord as well, just to have like a submission. That's gonna feel pretty good. Yeah, exciting stuff, man. All right, amount cannons cooldown I think is the way to go. Still have a little bit extra money. I think it's okay. I think this'll let us cut through here. Shame you wanted to play the game in class, but you can't use it only a computer. Really? Wait, I didn't get damage? Oh, I'm silly. I need to get damage there. And amount. Maybe I put like a version on itch too that you could play. Why not? It's a similar export. It wouldn't be that big of a deal. More damage. Yeah. Oh god. Oh, we're in trouble. Oh yeah, the shop is much nicer now. It's not just random buttons. More damage, I think. Possibly cooldown would work too. And this game's kind of hard though. More amount. And maybe need to highlight the buttons better. It's a little hard to see when you can buy upgrades and when you can't. But it's working, dude. The red blocks are harder. So the game gets progressively harder and spawns like higher difficulty blocks, but they're worth more money too. So Tick Solace. They're sort of special. They give you $2, and they spawn with at least 10 health. Need a cha-ching sound after buying upgrades? Maybe. This is when we do the credit card noise. I can buy a new cannon. Let's get it. Cha-ching would be cool. Interesting. Maybe. I think I'm gonna hold off on any extra like features until I get the game out and get some feedback, and then I'll probably do like feature requests and then probably dedicate like one streaming day into either fixing bugs or implementing features. I feel like I'm winning. Yeah, dude, I'm winning. Let's get it. Can I get more cooldown? Did that break it? No, okay, we're good. Uh-oh, am I too powerful now? Might be too powerful. It should always be a minimum of 1 second between firing, so... I think I'm too strong. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We win! I like the remove card sound just to psyops people into having a bad time. Does the game need to scale a little bit faster? Afraid developers have an advantage, they know the best tricks to win their game. Hey, so do you though, you know? Now that you've seen all of the tricks. I seriously think I've killed all of the tiles, there's like nothing left. We did it, we won! I think I would like a feature where if you kill all of the tiles, you get a little bonus and then it shoves the next like row down. You do get a bonus for clearing faster, but also it doesn't just make it so there's nothing left. I win now, you know? Like the game's over. Or maybe put like an objective up at the top where if you hit the bar a certain amount of times. Not sure. A lot of these values are just going to be me having to mess with scaling and stuff. Yeah, because I feel like I've legit just won the game. Tiles are getting a little bit stronger, but not like a crazy amount. Yeah. Okay. Try to win the game with the least amount of updates possible. That's interesting. I mean, even if you die though, like, I don't think I can intentionally die right now, but when you die, the game just starts over and you get extra upgrades for your next run. It's sort of like New Game Plus in that sense. Yeah. We'll see. Yeah, I've legit can't lose. Sick. All right. Change the scaling up a little bit. How do we do the scaling right now? Tile level. How do we... Oh, tiles. Instantiates, generate tile value. Tile value is max floor row count times rand F range. Based on the row count, huh? Can I do like row count? I need this to scale faster. Row count. Square it up. That might get like way too hard, way too quick. Can we add like some wait, YouTube things cut. One moment. Okay, there we go. Can we add something? Our shop like what we have purchased will get less. Something our shop like what we have purchased will get less. I mean, they get like. Not sure I understand. Well, we have level 2 of something. Yeah, so when you restart, this will bump up. Like it'll automatically grant you X amount of promotions based on how well you did. Yeah. Can I spoil a little bit what the next game will be? Oh, okay, alright. I'll spoil a little bit. Just a little bit though. I'll show you the assets I want to use. How about that? I'll show you the assets I picked out for the next game. Where's the second one? Yeah, here we go. So, here are the assets. This one is for tiles that are going to be in the game. And this one is for both tiles and characters. Because if you'll see, there's like characters that you can build and randomize. So the hint is you will have a randomized character, or you'll have several randomized characters. And they will do things for you in this isometric world. That is the hint. Hey, that's all you get though. You get nothing else. Neb, welcome. How do I VIP you? I need to VIP you instantly. Neb is our super amazing Discord admin who just recently made the entire thing look incredibly good. If you haven't seen the Discord makeover, go check it out. It's so pretty now. It's so nice. It's lovely. And we have a Minecraft server now too. It's perfect. What more do you want from a Discord server? Amazing. I have the best server ever. Hey. Yeah, it's so pretty now. Thank you again, Neb. How do I VIP? /VIP. Neb space farer. You ran out of VIP. I only have a certain amount of those, so I hope you feel honored. Yeah, it's so nice though, dude. Oh yeah, we got a Minecraft server. I'll probably be on it actually today, after today's stream for a little bit. If I don't fall asleep, I'm so sleepy. Yeah, so this game, you're basically gonna have some villagers. It might be an idle game again. Don't judge me. Okay, I'm not gonna judge me for that. Yeah, idle game, isometric, villagers. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. It's gonna be much different to what I'm doing now. It's gonna look a lot nicer too. Yeah, so these are some of the tiles I'm gonna use. And let me just say, you're gonna be the one placing the tiles, okay? Okay, all right. It's not gonna be me. I'm not placing them. I'm gonna place some at the start, but you know who's gonna be placing the rest of them? You place the rest of them. Not up to me anymore. Kind of design reminds me of Plants vs Zombies. Really interesting. Personally, I don't super see it. It kind of looks like Adventure Quest style. Or not Adventure Quest, what? King's Quest. Where it's, or not King's Quest. I don't know, it just looks like very pixely voxely. I can kind of see PVZ. PVZ is a lot more like animated, I feel. Not sure. I kind of see it actually. I'm coming around to it. I think you're right. This is like the lawn tiles. Will it be customized characters? It will be random characters. You will not be able to customize them. They will be randomized. I'm not sure exactly how yet. But yeah. Maybe you can customize them? Don't know yet. My intention was to have them be random but spawn like certain classes. I'll say, spawn with certain things so that they're easy to differentiate. Or if they change classes, they'll have a different look. Yeah. Put my own friends in the games as DLC characters. Now there's an idea. But yeah. But hey, no more spoilers. We have a game. We have a game to finish. We gotta finish this game first. Game overline done. We need to adjust the tile scaling too. Was this playable with the exponential scaling? Is this even winnable? Shop. I don't have any money yet. Break Invaders. Yes, we must finish Break Invaders first. Then we will make the next game. One at a time. I will say though, like if anything catches on and gets a lot of traction, I'm not against like dedicating a lot more time to it. So if this game gets a lot of attention and people want like more features or they want the game to change or something, I'd be more than happy to like polish this game up as opposed to making a new thing. But same with the new thing. If that's starting to get a lot of like attention and traction, I wouldn't mind working on that for longer. So, oh god, these scale way too fast now. What the? I don't think this is winnable. We're gonna try. We'll try. Don't seem to be getting enough money. Can I buy upgrades? Yeah, this is not possible. Oh, there's already orange blocks. GG. Nope. Maybe row count times 2? Times the randomizer? Sure. We have level 2, then after something will be level 1? It just shows the amount that you have, but the price resets at the end of a like iteration. So the amount you'll start with will be higher, but the price for buying extras will be the same. So you will scale in power over time. Okay, is this winnable? Definitely start with damage upgrades. Just FYI for all those watching. Damage and amount are the best ones. Hey Danny, how's it going? Welcome back. I haven't seen you in a bit. How you been? How you been? We're gonna die? Maybe. Oh god, it was too easy and now it's too difficult. Maybe add like another scaling factor that kicks in after a certain amount? But no. Linear was bad. Exponential was too intense. But this feels unwinnable. Does row count matter? How about this? If row count %10 equals 0, or maybe 15. Every 15 rows, it bumps up by a ton. Row count times 2. Been streaming while I'm at school. Oh, sorry. Luckily today you don't have any. Ah, I see. Yeah, I mean, I usually get a lot more traction on like weekends and Fridays and stuff. I assume for that exact reason. Like most people are probably busy during the day. Damage. Give me damage. More damage. Which honestly kind of works well because I feel like then Wednesdays I tend to like. Me personally, I feel like I get more work done on Wednesdays and stuff. So it's kind of, I like, this is the more productive day, and then on the weekends it's more of like a hangout time because more people are here. Does that make sense? So I'll get either way. But yeah, glad to see you, man. Is this winnable? Yeah, I think we're chilling now. I can get another cannon too. And then hopefully in 15 rows, the row count will double. So it'll scale like, it'll give like a big difficulty spike out of nowhere. See if it's visible. Let's buy more stuff. More amount. I can start to see where the duration upgrades are actually pretty good too. Grab one of those. Even though they're like, I think they're the easiest one to get in the when you loop, like when you restart the game. I think I set their scaling the lowest. I still haven't seen like an insane spike. I don't know how many rows we've done. Probably should have added something to like display that. More damage. We're gonna die? We might die. Dang, I was doing so well last time. What happened? Oh, maybe it's winnable. Maybe it's winnable. I'll keep fighting. This game's kind of fun. Just chilling, man. Oh no, that's interesting. If you open the shop, it resets the cooldown in a disadvantageous way. That's not good. If you're in the middle of firing a cannon and you open the shop, it stops firing. Uh-oh. Probably shouldn't do that. Also, it looks weird that the ball like just despawns instantly. I'm gonna adjust the opacity scaling. Okay. I think we're safe. I think we're living. I definitely noticed that it spiked out of nowhere though. Like these values got way higher for some reason. Damage. Yeah. More power. New glitch cooldown. True. It's an exploit. Don't break my game. Don't be cheating in my games. It's funny because it only works against you though, because it resets the cooldown, like, but it doesn't fire the rest of the cannons. So it only hurts you. More. Ooh. Alright, I'm getting that feeling of like just being on the edge of winning, which is good. That's exactly where I want this to be. Though it might still be too difficult for like new people. I'm not sure. That being said though, like again, if you die, you just get a bunch of upgrades and you get to start again, so it's not the end of the world if you do die. Not that big of a deal. Guys, are there any series you've been watching or into lately? I've been watching How to Get Away with Murder lately. It's fun. Series? So I don't watch like a ton of like shows or movies, but if we're talking about like YouTube videos, the psychology, the criminal psychology one, JCS Criminal Psychology, I love those videos, dude. They're each like 2 hours long and they're all like true crime stuff. It's super interesting. Last time I played Minecraft, actually, I had them running in the background while I was playing. It was just, my mind turned into mush. It was perfect. It's exactly the experience I wanted. Oh yeah, I love criminal psychology vids. The only problem is they make me like kind of sketched out IRL after. I'm like walking around downtown, I hear like the narrator starts like, this unsuspecting man was walking down the street when all of a sudden it's like, am I gonna get murdered? If the background is going to be black all the time, instead of opacity change, just fade to color black on the balls. It's less GPU intensity. Whoa, you're right. You're so right for that. I should do that. Just modulate the color to black. That's genius. Thank you, DD Lou. Damn. You smart. You make games? Especially if it's a mobile game. Yeah. You're totally right for that. How could you tell it was a mobile game? Doesn't this look like a professional AAA high quality Steam release? What are you talking about? I accidentally beat the game again. It's so fascinating. It's so odd thinking about how the humans mind work. Dude, and like, my favorite part is watching those videos is when like it's super serious and you're like, you seeing how basically this person like planned this entire murder. And then like they say something stupid in the interview and the narrator just clowns on them. Oh, it's my favorite, dude. Like, he should not have answered like that. Now he gave away his whatever. It's like, oh, what an idiot, man. Next time I kill someone, I'm not gonna get caught. Like, sadly, yes, but in VR. Wait, really? Dude, that's sick. You got any games, dude? Give me your games. I should be better about like posting the community stuff on the YouTube. I don't know how to get the bot to like plug the Discord and stuff in the YouTube channel, but I want it to be in both because I want to see what am I trying to say? I want games. Give me your games. Discord is usually where like other people in the community share their releases. Sorry, I'm being too self-promoting. Ignore what I said. I still want to see your games though. Yeah, okay, so like around this time of the game, we seem to be unbeatable. And I think it's because the money scale is a little bit too much in our favor with the tile level. I think I should not give you extra money for killing more tiles. I think it should be the same amount of money. Then again, it's fun to have big money. I like big money. Mostly simulators? That's cool. Rather not say which ones. Oh. Ah, I see. I don't know what kind of games you make then. I'm not even gonna, I have no clue. I'm not even gonna guess. It's crazy. Just glad you make games, you know? You need a PC Minecraft server, man? Dude, I'm so excited to play on the Minecraft server after the stream. I'm sorry you cannot join us. I wish you could. I probably should. That sounded like I was just rubbing it in. Damn, I'm cold. I wish you could join us. How about I say it like that? It sucks that like the console versions of Minecraft are bedrock, so you can't join on like PC versions of Minecraft. It'd be cooler to have everyone be on the same thing. I don't understand why it's split. I want to play Minecraft with you. No. Actually, maybe it's okay because I'm starting to run out of money to upgrade things. I'm gonna let this run for like 60 seconds. Could I have a single like high number tile spawning after some row to act as a little boss with different color and stuff? I was thinking about putting something in if you clear all of the lines to give you something to do. Like, either something to hit that's up at the top, or yeah, some like, if you clear all the lines and it summons like the boss and that's how you get to the next level or something like that. But I only have a couple days left to get this like released. So I think I'm just gonna release like base gameplay and then maybe go for updates after if people are really showing interest in it. And if not, just move on to new games, submit it to the game jam and call it a day. I'm trying not to stay in the loop of like letting scope just keep ballooning, because like I feel like this is a good base, but it's not perfect, or it's not great. Like it's fun, but it's not like, I don't know what to do about this situation if all the lines are clear. I should add something that makes the game scale when exactly this happens. But I would need to track like the exact like last amount of tiles that were spawned in. Can we have lore with break invaders? Sure. If it gets X amount of downloads, I will personally write some lore for you. 10,000. If it gets 10,000 downloads, I'll write lore for the game. How about that? Okay. Reset tile level. We need to die. We're too pro. We can't die. I feel like it's good right at the start, and then it doesn't scale. Like, oh man, I need a curve of some sort. I think this just needs to be a curve. Sample the curve. That way I can adjust it. Yeah, should have done that the whole time. Hey. There's the speed scale curve. I'm just gonna yoink this for difficulty curve. So we're gonna grab 10,000 unique downloads. Good catch. 10,000 unique downloads. I doubt it will get that. I will be incredibly surprised if it does. Hey Anna, how's it going? How are you? How are you? Welcome back. Sample. And then we do row count. That. And then we have to make this curve. Where's the yeah, we have to make the curve. Tiles. New curve. Show me the curve. Minimum value is 0, maximum value. Can we do 1,000,000? 1024 is the maximum value. We're gonna have to scale up the number that we get out of this. So if that's 1,000,000, 1024 is 1,000,000. 1,000,000 divided by 1024. Sorry, I won't really be able to talk. That's no worries, no worries. Just glad you're here. Don't feel like you need to. Yeah, don't feel like you need to chat. No worries. Ease in probably, or smooth stuff maybe. Probably ease in. Yeah. So if you get to this point, every tile is just 1,000,000. 1,000,000 points. Which means, okay, so at 1 is 1024. At 0, it's 0. So we need, this is what everything gets scaled by. And it's 0 to 1,000? No, it's 0 to 1. The row, how many row count? At what row count should it be 1,000,000? How many rows are in the game? How about 10,000? That sounds, if you clear 10,000 rows, you win. Data for help at work, but I can talk in the times I have nothing to do. Like I said, don't stress yourself out. I'm just glad you're here. Yeah, if you want to talk, I mean, I'm not gonna stop you from talking. You know? Live your life. Talk when you want to. Okay. Seems like Godot just got a free Nintendo Switch port for authorized Nintendo devs. Whoa, really? Maybe we should make Nintendo games, eh? 10K, 1,000,000. The first row is 1. So we take row count, we divide by 10,000, sample, and pull up 9 or multiplied by 976, like that, right? Yeah, multiplied by 976. Rho divided by 10,000 times 976. So rho difficulty dot sample row count divided by 10,000. Hey, Jensen, thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. Upload your game to Switch. I'll play it up, right? That'd be so awkward. Closing doesn't have a counterpart. I'll show you a counterpart. Divided by 1,000, and then I said, oh, times the randomizer, and then times this ratio. The ratio, nerd. Curve ratio. What is it? 976? 976.56? 976.56? Nintendo being more base than Apple, amazing? That's low bar, to be honest. Apple is, how to say amicably, because I put apps on their store. I've worked with better partners. How's that? Living for Mac is a pain. Yeah, it's so they like everything they do has this air of like, oh, if you're on a Mac and you develop for Mac, it's so easy. Just do that. And it's like, yeah, man, but like other people own computers that aren't Macs, and I would like them to work, and they're like, no, what the hell did you just say to me? I'll revoke your goddamn license. Okay. It's for sure a cult, dude. It's so siloed up, man. It's rough. It's rough out there. It's like, oh, you want to use Xcode? You want to put your app in Xcode? Pay me $100. I don't even know if my thing will make $100. Give me $100 right now, or I'm gonna kill you and take your game. Okay. It's rough, man. But like, if you're in the ecosystem, it's really smooth. It costs a lot of money. It's really smooth. But then you try to port it to anything else and it doesn't work. It's just, okay. Don't know what I'm doing. Just making a game with so much hard work, but you just enjoy being here. Aw, thanks, Roy. I enjoy you being here too. I'm glad you're here. You're fun to talk to. Okay. I'm gonna yoink this line down one. Like so. Yeah. This is gonna make... Oh. Hey, those values are kind of big. That's a big number. Oh, they're not that big. They're just floats. I see. Did I mess this up somehow? 10,000... Wait, sample... Alright, let's curve sample equals... It's rough though, because like I don't feel like I totally respect the decision to like not buy any Apple products, but I don't feel like Windows is any better, you know? Like Windows is like you log into Windows and it's like, hey, do you want Windows 11? It's like, no, I don't want a bunch of telemetry and nothing for free. Or like, I don't want a bunch of extra telemetry and for you to mess up the UI and change everything and break all of my drivers. And it's like, hey, okay, we'll ask you tomorrow though. You want to do it now? Please. And then like it forces Windows updates on you, and every time I get a Windows update, my graphics card starts like artifacting, but you can't turn them off. Everything I do in Windows, it just feels like they're like, yeah, we know more than you, so shut up and just update. Just like, okay. I don't know, man. It's the death of super user. Can't really stand behind any one like thing anymore. It's rough out there. I used to develop only on Windows. Now I develop on Mac. Or I'm on Windows right now for Godot. For game dev, I use Godot. Actually, Linux. Yeah, I don't know what I'm thinking. Linux, absolutely. Stan Linux. Been on Linux since a few years ago, and it's been so nice. Gaming has evolved so much with Proton and then Steam Deck. Yeah, Proton is really, really good. It's not perfect yet. Like, it's not there for everything yet. And if something isn't on Steam, then you're just like, shit out of luck. But for the stuff it works with, like, it's sick, dude. It's so nice. I love Proton. Some with both Windows and Apple products both have their own issues. For sure, it's Like I said, it's rough, and I feel like even though I own the technology, sometimes it doesn't feel like it's mine. You know what I mean? Like I feel like I'm borrowing my computer from Windows sometimes. Mac, like at least you have a terminal and you can do a bunch of stuff with it. But yeah, as soon as you leave the ecosystem, they just death to the non-believer. Thanks to support for monitors being tilted 0 to 90 degrees. Yeah, can't you do like the sideways vertical monitor? Yeah, this business. I feel like maybe this is useful. Not useful. Each their own. Sometimes I feel like I could work with this. Unfortunately, right now I don't have my. I used to have like a vertical monitor that was really nice that I used for sound voltex and for coding, but I left it in America, so I do not have it at the moment. Also, I just reminded myself I need to move this sprite. Sorry to edit while on live. When I was cutting up shorts, I realized that that character is always in the frame no matter what. So I gotta move her around a little bit. No big deal. No big. Only on Linux. I guess I gotta switch to Linux then, man. So row count divided by 10,000. I want to see what this value is. Print the curve sample. So we got 0, and then we immediately go to 0.0124, which when multiplied by 900 is big number. 0.1024. Yeah, it immediately starts at 100. Okay, let's try dividing by 1,000,000 or by 100,000. Now they're like 40. All right, 1,000,000 it is. Yee. What are these values? I can't. This is not a float for some reason. Oh, I'm not even using this value, huh? Isn't that interesting? Still want the randomness on it. What do you not like? Why don't you like me, huh? You happy now? Totally dumb right now? Wait, oh sorry, I read that. I just noticed you have 236 subs now. Dude, I know the YouTube's been going crazy, man. Look at this. Hold up, let me pull up ye old analytics. The shorts have just been popping off. I guess if you want to make progress in YouTube, just copy other people that you really enjoy watching. Because look at this. Crazy, dude. I gotta cut up another one today. We'll see if I say anything interesting and worth saying or worth cutting. Just told me how to put liquid chocolate from a cup into a bottle. Clean the sides of the bottle after. What? Then you just... What? Hey? Then you just pour it in? I'm confused. I don't know, sometimes people are like cooking when they're explaining everything, so they just like over-explain every little detail. What do you... Oh, you're a weird number, huh? Can I int you? Int this nonsense. Are you normal now? You're normal now. Sick. Okay. Is the game playable? A lot of ones. Open for more number. Where's the bigger number? Just one forever? Okay, it's just one forever. Sick. Game's really easy. Okay, that's not quite right. Print the curve sample again. I mean, it should go up with the row count, no? Shouldn't it? Spawn row. Spawn row increases row count, right? Row count staggers the row count plus 1. Yeah. Why isn't this value going up? Just 0.0124. Go up. Increase. Number go up. Idle game mechanic? No. Weird. Does the sample not have enough floor instead of int? Yeah. Is that what's causing that? I'm gonna print this and the row count. I'm gonna do like row count colon curve sample. Maybe? 4. Give me another one. Give me another row. 5. The same number. What? Does this sample not have like super fine grain? Why is that happening? What's up, XDDCC? How's it going? How's it going? Oh, are you feeling sick, Anna? I'm sorry. You feel better soon. There's a message that I cannot read because it's in Russian. I apologize. I'll speak that one. But thanks for stopping by. I think the sample... Wait. Oh. Wait, no, this is fine. What is the X value? Oh, X value goes to 1. Aha! This needs to be inside the thing, of course. Now it's 0 forever, huh? Let's try maybe reducing this a little bit. 0. Neat. What are you now? 0. You're so cool for that. If I divide anymore, I'm gonna like lose the curve because it only goes to x equals 1. What? Let me do this? Still 0. But if I just do row count, isn't it gonna immediately hit the maximum value? Yeah. Hey, at least hey, the colors work. That's okay. Hey, we're making, you know, there we go. Huh. Is it possible to code in VS Code for games? Yeah, absolutely. In fact, I used VS Code. I use VS Code a lot. I don't use it for Godot. It's kind of hard to keep the things in sync, but yeah, you can use it for 2D or 3D. Yeah, totally fine. Totally fine. We're gonna die. Close that before we die. Is it because this is an integer? Probably. Divide by 10,000, 100,000. Just need a number. Just show me a number. A number. Yo. Maybe he's feeling sick because of the cake I ate earlier. I say worth it. What about sound? Have you removed it or is it silent? There's sound. You can't hear it right now because it's not bouncing off of anything because our game, the number isn't going up for some reason. Do 10,000 again. That was a good number. So this number times 900 is what? What's 0.04 times 900? 0.0004 times 956. 0.38. Ah. Is our math off a little bit? Try 1,000? That means you win. You just win the game after 1,000 rows? Pretty sure OpenGL uses primarily 3D. It was not worth it. Oh no, I'm sorry. I hate feeling sick, dude. That's the worst feeling ever. I had the stomach flu like 3 weeks ago. Miserable. Oh my god. Hang in there. I'm sorry. Pretty sure you can use VS Code with mono. What's mono? I tried doing VS Code with Godot to like connect to the game server as it was running. That didn't work. Just straight up wouldn't find the server for some reason. No problem, right? I'm just glad you're here, like I'm saying. Mono game? Mono game. Mono game. Oh. Oh. What is this? New game engine? By leveraging C# and .NET language, Microsoft mono platforms, you can write modern, fast, and reliable game code using the edit. Oh, this is sick. I'm gonna put this here. Right, this is for you. I'm putting it in the YouTube chat. I stole your link. Get stolen, nerd. Get out of here, YouTube analytics. Okay. This also isn't good. This curve thing isn't working out the way I want it to. It's easing in a little too slow, I think. God, I wish this like minimum maximum value was more adjustable. It's annoying that I have to like scale in and out for the values that I want. I guess the minimum value I can bump to say 2. That should make these things spawn a little bit higher. Right? No? Ugh. This annoying. Row count divided by 10,000. The problem is like, too, this clamps the amount of rows that we can have in the game total. Don't love that either. Maybe I think I divide by 1,000,000. Let me see what this spits out. It spits out this number. So I do, where's the calculator? Let's say the first row should be able to do that number. So we do 3 divided by this. What? That didn't work. That didn't. Oh, this guy. Why is my control C not working? Stop it. Get me out of here. Okay, I'll just type it myself. That's fine. 0.0000001048579. That's the thing where you scale the curve output by? Okay, if you say so, I'll do it. I'll make it. I just want you to be happy. It forked into its own thing since Microsoft abandoned Mono. Oh, that sucks. Still updated, but it was around since a long time. Ah, I see. I'm surprised I've never heard of it then. Huh. Unity's also old and people use it? I don't anymore. Not after the tweets. Not after the Unity situation, we'll say. There's a little bit of spice going on. 3D involves a lot more math. Yeah, 3D is a lot harder than 2D. That's why I make 2D, because it's easy. Easier, I should say. Okay, we're multiplying by like a bajillion, but these values still suck. Why? Why aren't the number going up? Number should go up. Oh, I heard a bounce. We have bigger numbers? Bounced off something, so there was a big number at some point. That cannon's cool. We're gonna die. Oh no. Okay, there's a 2. That's great news. 2, 3. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Maybe the first part is just really easy, and this is gonna scale well now. Should pick up faster as the game goes on, because the curve is like exponential. I could make the upgrades more expensive now that you start with like a little of an easier time. Maybe that's how I fix this. It's like what I have right now, which is cannons and cooldown, is like good enough. Okay, I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get rid of this. Just let it use the default. But I'm gonna set the price to be a little bit higher. Price equals, the first one is 100 for cannons. Cannons are secretly the best upgrade. Oh right, it's price dot value. Price dot value. Yeah. Well, this is a duration upgrade. What am I doing? I hope I didn't delete the wrong thing. Oh, I didn't. Okay. Price dot value equals 100 to start with. Maybe all of them should start a little higher too. Oh, I can set the. I'm silly. I can set the price right here. This guy, who was my first sub? Probably someone from Osu. I used to play Osu a lot. Let me see. On Twitch or on YouTube? I don't know if you can check it on YouTube. I don't know if that's an option. We'll look together. No, I don't think there's any quick way to see that. Don't think so. I think on Twitch my first sub was Kawaii. They're the ones in the Discord? I think they were my first Twitch sub. That or Zare were probably the first ones. Alright, so bump this up. I'm gonna increase the damage upgrades too, because they're really good. Okay, so the game starts really easy. You just have the one cannon. It's good. and you instantly destroy stuff, which is fine. Maybe I should scale even a little bit more, so that way the first values aren't literally just 1. Maybe? I feel like this is going to be the hardest part of the game to like fine-tune and get right. So we'll see. By scaling up the amount. Again, I'm pretty excited to just like have this be wrapped up and move on to a new game. So, it's not perfect. I'm okay with that. Plus, it's one of those things where like the more I play the game, the more I am used to playing the game, and so the less fun like I find the game because I've played it a bunch of times and in like in a bunch of different variations. So it could just be me being too harsh about the way the game is fun, because I know I enjoyed this earlier. Right now it just feels like I'm like tuning one thing at a time. Okay, yeah, these scale pretty well now, I think. This doesn't feel as free. We'll see how it goes when I get a little further up, though. I want to start seeing red tiles? Oh, nice. I forgot I stream on Wednesdays. It's like the one awkward day. Also, welcome back, Zixism. How's it going? Welcome. How you doing? Yeah, Saturday, I feel like the Friday through Monday ones are always a better, like, I have more momentum on those days, you know? The Wednesdays are nice. Just like a more chill sesh. Am I gonna die? I don't think I can win this. That's good. That's a good sign. Earlier we were winning too easily. Now it's too difficult to win. Perfect. I set this to like 15. Yeah. There we go. I don't really watch streamers, but streams are really fun too while I'm studying. Aw, you're so nice. Dude, you don't know something funny? So YouTube gives you a list of things that are like associated with what people look up for your channel, like what search terms you're associated with. Do you want to guess what my top 3 search terms are? The first one is ASMR. Yeah, not off to a great start. The second one is, I don't know if you guys play Genshin, but there's a character in Genshin named Sino, I think, and there's a character named Tignari. I'll show you what they look like. Tignari Genshin. This is the character Tignari. I don't know if that's how you say it. Tignari? I don't know. And apparently Tignari and Sino is a common shipping pair. This is the second most searched for term on my YouTube channel. I don't know why. And do you want to know the third one? It's none other than the Oratrice Mécanique d'Analyse Cardinale, of course. I don't know why. But hey, if you ever need ASMR, Sino X Tignari AMVs, or the Oratrice Mécanique d'Analyse Cardinale, I'm here for you. I can provide that. You're welcome. Yeah. Funny analytic trends. On your streams while learning the Godot engine, you would think that would be in the search terms. You would think that would be like pretty high up there, or perhaps game dev, but no. Not there. Don't know why. Let's see if I can like pull these things up, but I don't think I can. Yeah, there you go. Those are my search terms. Also, we did. All right, try this with a little bit different scaling. I think I'm pretty close to wanting to leave it. I think I'm chilling with this. Chat seems a little dry today. Hey, be nice. I think a lot of people are just lurking. I'm cool with it. Lurk friendly channel. Lurk all you want. If no one talks to me, I will easily talk to myself. Totally fine with it. No worries. I like talking out loud when I'm coding anyway, so I'll shout into the void as long as I need to. I'm not even doing it for you, I'm doing it for me. Okay. I think I'm happy with where the scaling's at now. I think it's good enough. Ooh, ah! You scared me. I'm out of water though, so I'm gonna run a quick ad while I go get more water, and then I'll be right back. You're missing nothing. And to ensure it, you know that you're missing nothing. Ad time. Alright, be right back. I'm gonna grab some water. Don't leave. I'll be really sad. That's how long it takes me to get water. Done. Easy, dude. The sink is like 7 feet away from me. Imagine a game where you have unlimited choice, just like we have in our life. You'll fall from the sky and do anything. There's unlimited choice. Yeah. So a game with unlimited choices means a game where you programmed unlimited things. That is not for me. Seems really difficult. I would not, personally, I would not attempt something like that. But there are plenty better game devs out there that I'm sure have thought of very clever solutions and can solve that kind of problem. So if that's the kind of game you want to make, I'd say make a bunch of smaller games first to get the hang of making games, but go for it. Maybe not literally unlimited, by the way, because that means you have to code literally unlimited things. But games with a lot of choice, like Baldur's Gate or something similar, like it's not impossible. People have done it. So just that's a hard road to go down. I feel like there's the meme of like ad break again. I just did that. Which why? Why are you like this? Why are you being greedy? Get out of here. What was I saying? I lost my train of thought. Gonna make a game, you want to add AI? Good luck. Like, do you mean AI for like enemy characters and stuff? Because that's not hard. Or do you mean you want to add like AI in general? I have certain days when I code and other days where I play games. I think I might do Wednesdays I play games, and Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday I do code. Because that way I can like keep the momentum going and it doesn't feel as weird for the Wednesday streams. It can be more of a chill thing. So I might do that after I finish this game. I was going to do the games on Sunday, but like, I just want to code on the weekends, to be honest. But I played Pal World this last Sunday, which, not to talk like analytics and everything too much, but was a very fun game to play, but not a good game to stream. That game is like mega saturated right now. Curious, actually. Yeah, the top people have like 10,000 viewers or something crazy. So maybe not that, but you want to get Power but it doesn't run well for you? Oh, dude. So I'm a little conflicted on this because the game is really, really good. Like, it's incredibly fun. But there has been some stuff about like copyright issues with the game. I'm not going to be here to defend like Nintendo. They have lawyers for that. So if there is grounds for copyright, I'm going to let them handle it. But it does suck to see like a lot of the designs I don't think are a case of like parallel thinking. It does seem like they're ripped, which sucks because like the game is so good. Like the parts that aren't the Pokemon that they ripped like are incredible. So even if they didn't do that, I think the game would have been incredibly successful if they even if they had original designs and stuff. So that's the part that sucks, is like it doesn't hinge on the copyrighted stuff to be a good game. So they could have just not have done it and they would have had an incredibly good game still. It's not like they needed that, you know what I mean? So it does seem like it's just ripping. I don't know. Pokemon can't do anything about it because it doesn't infringe copyright. Some of the designs might infringe copyright. They might have grounds, but again, I'm not. They have lawyers. They'll figure it out. They're smart people over there. That's the only real concern though. But like the gameplay wise, no, there's, other than capturing Pokemon, there's like nothing the same. So it's fine. Like I'm not worried about it. Like I said, the game is really fun. It's just hard to promote something that has like blatant idea theft in it. I don't know. I don't really know where I fall on this. It's very tricky and nuanced, but it's fun. So I already bought it, so I can't take it back. I'm past the refund window, so I'm going to keep playing it and having a good time with it. I'm probably going to play it more tonight, actually, after stream. Got some friends we're going to hop on a server. Off in the sky, then you have choices like you can go to school or study or go live on YouTube. Can you look like this and perhaps make games? You're at the top, the devil will give you some amount of money. That sounds like a crazy complicated idea, but I'm not saying it's impossible. People have made like similar like life simulation games before. What's the one that you can like... There's a game where it's life. The Idle Life Sim? There's a game where you do something like that, like you basically live a life and like choose what you do with that life, and then at the end you like your character dies, but you prestige and you carry the skills into the next life. So like if you were, I don't know, a soccer player or something, you like have extra stamina in the next life and you stack the buffs. People have done similar things. BitLife? Maybe it's BitLife, yeah. I don't remember. I didn't play it, I only BitLife. How about we spell things correctly? BitLife. It's an interesting icon you got there, but yeah. Hey, free tier Unity, let's get it. All characters, events in this game are fictional. Yeah, yeah. Don't love that. Never do that again. Yeah. This is the kind of vibe I'm talking about. Life sim game, but it's also multiplayer. I think you should pick one of these ideas and make that first before you try to do every idea. Multiplayer life sim game with infinite choices. It sounds like that is not possible to build. You like, oh, you age forward years? Happiness just goes down as a function of time, huh? I'm suffering from a croup. That's not good. There are 2 circuits of BitLife you need to understand. Use the age button to age your year at one time. Sure. My family? Cool. What are my assets as a 3-year-old? What cars do I have? I need to shop for cars. I'm able to shop for cars? TikTok told me you need to start at the age of 3 and start grinding. I would like to. Ranked BitLife. Doesn't this just seem like it'd be that hard to do? I thought you could just throw that on the Apple Arcade leaderboards or something. I didn't realize Apple Arcade lets you do like free leaderboards. You can just connect to the client and upload leaderboards for all your games. That's so much easier than hosting like your own EC2 and everything. Yeesh. Catch me not doing that. Plus then, like, if you don't make enough money, then your leaderboard makes it so you're cash flow negative on your game from the overhead costs. Yikes. Okay, when we die, what happens? What happens when we die, you know? We need to do the play again button. How about that? Game over button. This is the play again button. Play again button. You connect to the signal for that. So on ready, play again button dot pressed. We're gonna signal that to pressed dot connect. Signal to on play again pressed. That we need to signal here. It's gonna be signal new game. Start new game. That. Oh, and there's a bug I have to fix too. Fix bug where opening shop resets cannon cooldowns but does not finish firing. Okay, start new game, and this is going to send these variables. So next game speed, game amount. Don't crash. I'm gonna save. When your like heart drops because it takes 1 second to load something extra. I want to build a team. Yeah, probably if you're gonna build a game like that, you'd need a massive dev team. There's been game dev people to work with AI. Careful with like how you want to work with AI. Like, do you have a specific thing you want to do with AI, or do you just want to work with AI in general? Because one of those is a little bit easier than the other one. Careful not to get sucked into like AI buzzword hype too much. You feel me? Not everything needs to be solved with AI. In fact, I would argue most things should not be. That's just me. So on play again pressed. Those of you who don't know, my previous job was working with AI. That's a lie, sorry. Before Amazon, I was a AI researcher and developer. Yeah, and now I don't like AI. Yay! Dot emit. And pass all of this stuff through. Speed, amount, damage, duration. That's what you're doing now, training AI models? Nice, man. It's a good, I'll say it's a really comfy job. I really liked the job when I was doing it. I was in contracting though, so a lot of people were like, this is the thing with contracting, is it's all, you're just as many buzzwords as you can, right? So we would roll up to a new client and they'd be like, we have this problem. And it'd be like, we have a messaging system and we need to see if the messages are like written by people or robots, right? Actually, that's a bad example. That would be good for AI. It'd be like, we have this messaging system and we want to see if it contains bad keywords in it, right? And they're like, we want to use AI for this problem. It's like, you just write like 4 lines of code and it would fix that problem. They're like, no, we need AI. We need the AI solution. It's like, okay, I mean, if you want to take like 3 months to train a model, we can do that. Like 3 months for the model training, you're gonna have to buy a bunch of like GPUs and stuff. Like, you know what I do? I go type in scikit-learn.import.neural network or random forest, and I just plug it in and I wait for it to finish training and I ship it to the customer and bill them for 3 months of work. Yeah, that's what you asked for. It has AI. I don't know. It was miserable, man. Like I said, it was comfy. It was good money. But a lot of people don't understand like what to use AI for and all that. So I thought also have an idea to give them money, like give them the choice. Personally, go to college. I don't ask them 2 choices and give $2 for joining college or whatever for watching an ad. I don't like that. One of my favorite GDC talks was no one's ever bought a game because it had a good monetization scheme. Being paid for rigging characters and automatically rigging them with a website. Oh, interesting. Huh. Using AI for that. That's an interesting project, actually. What model are you training to do that? What's your training, if you don't mind me asking? If you're under like NDA or something, you don't have to tell me. Or if you just don't feel like it, you don't have to tell me, obviously. It's not your model? Yeah. That's the thing with AI too. When I was working there, it's like, it wasn't really our models either. No. Not sure if they use AI or not. Oh, I see. I mean, it could be like just a set of rules to like find certain... The thing with AI is like, it doesn't have to be an all or nothing thing too. Like they could use AI to do certain things like finding elbows or like certain points on a character that should be rigged and then using like manual work to do the rest. The one at the end of the year, I'll give like, if 100 people do the same job and they pay like $2, it'll give them $200 and I'll give them 100. Is that a bad idea? I would focus less on the money part and focus more on making like a game that's like an enjoyable gameplay loop, right? I'm gonna tell you right now, if you're in game dev for the money, maybe do a different job. For making like a lot of money right off the bat, you know? Yeah, it's not that you can't make money in this. Like you can definitely make a sustainable living and all that, but trying to sell me on a game saying it has a really interesting monetization scheme is like I'm not in for that. But again, that's just my opinion. So if you want to make it, go make it. Go make games, no matter what. Don't let me be the one to discourage you from doing that if it sounds like something you want to do. But that's my 2 cents. Okay, we need to emit this and pass it back up to the main function. This needs to buy all the upgrades and not increase the price on the purchase of the upgrades. Blender makes more consistent money than developing games, but a game developer has a bigger reward if you make it. Yeah, true. The swing is or like the variance is really high for devs, right? Like, I feel like most of them don't make that much money or make very little money. But like, the games that do make a lot of money, okay, you know what? I don't know anymore, because like, I feel like the entry for making it is lower, the payout for making it is lower, and the ceiling is higher, right? Like, think about like MiHoYo, right? They make billions of dollars every time they make a new character, right? That company makes an absurd amount of money. But you think of a game like Dome Keeper, right? Dome Keeper was just a game jam game that sold like 1 million copies, and the guy that makes it is now a millionaire, right? The Lethal Company top 1 game on Steam at one point, and Steam 24 award winner, is made by a solo furry dev that used to code on Roblox. That's so sick. Yeah, so the floor is lower, like, right? Like, it's feel like it's easier to make it, and when you do make it, the reward is like still amazing, but it's not like you're not gonna be making MiHoYo money, right? You might become a millionaire, which is like, that happens to me. I am perfect. I'm not gonna say no, right? Yeah, that's my opinion. So I think it's easier and harder at the same time, and the variance is also higher. It's weird. It's interesting, but again, if you're just making games because you like to make games, I think you're gonna be all right. Obviously, it's nice to make more money, and it lets you make more games and dedicate more time to making games, right? Like, then you don't have to have the day job situation and also make games and stuff like that. But yeah, that's kind of my thoughts on the situation. Yeah, but like I said, like, if you want to make that game and you want to do this, like, if you want to build this huge life sim game, yeah, do it, man. Go for it, 100%. And come back and rub it in my face that everyone in the world is playing it, and I was saying like, I look forward to playing the demo. I think I made Lethal Company also was what? Hey, didn't see that. I think the guy that made Lethal Company was a Roblox dev too. Yeah. Lethal Company Roblox. This is gonna give me. Yeah, I should have thought of that before I. Should have thought a little bit harder. Yeah, the developer came from Roblox, I think. Zeekers. I don't know who this is. I don't play Roblox anymore, but yeah, it's crazy, man. It's so cool. His username is Zeekers. Yeah. It's so cool, man. I feel like the entry point for making games now is way easier too. Like, I don't know. It just feels like getting into coding just feels a lot easier these days. Getting into like programming, getting into game design, game dev, like game jams are more popular. People are more connected through Discord and stuff. It's a good time to be a game developer. Very good time. There's never been as many like help and resources available as there are right now. Yeah, go make games. Hey. End of my spiel. Go make a video game. It's fun. And hey, maybe you become a millionaire too. So that's not bad, right? No one's complaining about that one. Alright, let's finish implementing this signal, shall we? But game development will be a lot easier the more technology grows and be more accessible to the general public. I hope so, yeah. I think everything's more connected. Like the fact that you can just join game jams through Discord now is crazy, right? Game jams are awesome. I feel like you learn so much doing those. Learning courses and stuff. Yeah, I'm I'm always worried about that because I see like more and more like all of the information that you need to learn how to make games and to do game dev is free. You should not have to pay anything for that. Like, the information is readily available, and there are people willing to give that information to you for no money, and like that are passionate about teaching people, right? And then all of a sudden you get like 15 ads for Udemy courses that are like, check out our incredibly like $20,000 value course, it can be yours for only $100. That's a discount of 1,000,000%. Okay. Because you know, the people on Udemy are just people that post videos. They're not like professors, right? They're just people. You know, most of them don't have any extra credentials or anything. You know what that's like? That's like YouTube. I can just do that on YouTube. Yeah. Yeah, I agree. It's getting more accessible and stuff. I'm just worried about people thinking they need like, oh, I need to complete this thing. I need to get like a college degree and all this stuff. You just go make stuff. You just go make games. Fine. Fine. You'll learn as you go. Fine. Don't worry about it. The more games you make, the better you get making games. It's crazy. That's why I'm so excited to be done with this game and to make a new game. So excited to make a new game. Very excited. It's gonna be so much better. None of this messy code. But until then, we gotta finish this game. So, on the game over, there should be a signal. Was it? Yeah, game over. Dot. What did I call this signal? On play again pressed. Yeah. Let's start new game. Start new game. Connect. It's almost time for me to go now. I can go a little bit longer today, I think. We'll see. We'll see. I want to finish this. We'll see. I need to animate this out. Yeah, I will have to probably go pretty soon. We'll see. How do you guys? I think I'm gonna switch Wednesday to like chill playing games days. Thinking about it. Used to be youth blender because I took like 4 paid courses and just ended up teaching yourself on YouTube. Dude. Okay, real talk, do you feel like you got like good value out of those courses or no? Like if you were gonna run it back, would you pay for any of the 4 courses you did? Do you feel like any of them were a good enough launch pad? Not really? Not even a single one? Oh, I'm so sorry. That's the thing I'm worried about, man. That's the thing that scares me for new people. It's that exact situation. Cause it's like look at the Udemy ads, dude. They're crazy. App dev. It's just like how much money even are these? Oh right, it's in Japan dollars. What is this, like $14? That's not as bad, but yeah, this is the part that really annoys me. You only have 3 hours left at this price, and it's gonna go up to $300. This, if you are selling it for $16, it cannot be worth $300. You just wouldn't sell it for $300 ever, or for $16 ever, right? It's just so like, I hate this stuff. It's just a 6-minute YouTube video. Just go. What is this? Programming Uber clone Swift app. How to program Uber YouTube. No. Well. Okay. How to make an app like Uber. Boom. Article how to do it. How to build an app like Uber. How to build an app. Here's a 2-hour video on how to build. This is like the whole thing. This is the whole Udemy course. This is free. You just right here. It annoys me so much. Especially for learning websites on YouTube or other places. Yeah, exactly. It's right there, man. I'm super red, so I love sharing my idea to you. You just explain things so nicely. Did I? I kind of felt bad for saying maybe no, but if you're looking for honest feedback, I'm glad you took that in stride. Thank you. I appreciate that actually a lot. Feel free to ask more. I mean, the thing is, I want you to make games, right? I don't know if that's a good one to start with. That's all right. But you should still make games. Like still, if you want to, if this is the thing you want to do, like go at least try it. Go try to make that thing that you wanted to make. I'm just there's like the meme of everyone's first game is like, I'm gonna make this massive open world RPG, and then everyone abandons their first project. That's the pitfall I'm trying to explain my way into scoping down on that kind of idea. YouTube and the Godot docs is where I learned most of this stuff. Also, chat helped out a lot too. Fubar, Machine Hearts, Captain Ace, like tons of people helped out a ton. I'll be dyslexic because you struggle with reading all the time. I am also heavy dyslexic. I feel your pain. I'm sorry. Isn't it? Okay. It's a dumb rant. So, I write in Japanese quite often, and there's a couple things that really trip me up. So, this character is so, right? This character is ro. These look the same to me, and I flip them all the time. Like when I'm writing, I'll flip these all the time. It's so frustrating. But today, I had a new one. So there's a kanji for my. This basically means in front, or like ahead of. This is the kanji, right? My. So like ekimae ni, something like that, right? You're saying in front of the station, or like in front of uchimae ni, in front of my house, right? Front. Or like time, before 7 o'clock, right? I all the time write it like this. I flip the things under the like lid radical. It's so hard. Writing kanji, like if you know Mandarin, my heart goes out to you. If you're also dyslexic, it's rough out there, man. The nice thing is, like, with more what is the word? Complicated. With more complicated words, or more complicated kanji, it actually gets easier for me because there's less things to like confuse. But there's other ones like I'm doing this backwards? Yeah, I am. This one, and there's one that also is under a flag thing that I don't remember, but I flip these all the time too. Katakana n, and yeah, these ones messed up, dude. I have the same one with these. Very difficult for me. The only reason I can differentiate the shi and tsu because I use this one in my name. That's the only. So I know that if it's the one I write in my name, I know which one it is. That's the only way I can do it, though. It's tough out there, let me tell you. Forgot all your Mandarin? That seems like a lot to come back on. Mandarin is rough, man. There's no like, there's an alphabet in English. You're only looking at 26 characters, 52 if you want to count capitals. Mandarin, man, you forget one or two of those things. Good luck. Good luck. How we write Rohit? It would probably be. I'm gonna write it in hiragana first. Rohit. Rohit? We could do like Rohit. Oh, that's hot. What am I doing? Rohit? Probably this? Probably? Maybe? I just forget katakana off the dome unless I'm like writing it in a word. Hi, I live in Japan. I still don't know these. What is it, ro? How do you do it? Oh yeah, of course, it's the box. Ro, and then heat. Yeah, heat. Probably like this. That's my best guess on Rohit. Rohit. You could also do like Rohito, but that's kind of strong. I would probably do this one. All the exception to English make it like 10x harder. English is a messed up language to learn. I feel bad for anyone learning it. There's just no rules. You ready for a sentence? This is my favorite example of English. There's no correct way to read this. If you say, "Oh, it's I read the book. I'm like, no, no, no. That says I read the book. Idiot. It's like, okay, sorry. It's I read the book. Like, no, 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 no. That says I read the book. How could you be so blind? That's what it says right there. Come on. English is just homophone soup, dude. It's awful. Tenses are messed up. I recently, like, not recently, but I learned a while ago that, like, we have an order for adjectives in English that I never realized that we had. And I don't remember specifically what it is. But, like, for example, let's say there's a ship in the distance, right? And you want to describe the ship. It's the size of the ship, then the color of the ship. And if there's a number of ships, it's number, then size, then color, right? So it's like the big blue ship. If you said the blue big ship, that makes no sense. Why would you ever... Who talks like that? That's weird. That's whack. No. Don't say that. Or if you said, like, there's a big 17 blue ship. What? Weird. Gotta go, Roy. Alright, see you later. Thanks for hanging. Catch you around, catch you around. Thanks for chilling. Thanks for sharing your game ideas. Hey, look forward to playing them soon. Yeah. English hard. Good luck to anyone learning it. Good luck. Japanese is also really hard though. The delta between English and Japanese is like the highest out of any language. So I'm so happy that's the one I decided to go live in. Oh, cool. Ka is Hindi? How do I say it? How do I say that? Chota. Hindi. Which? English. Switch. Okay. I'm not getting the right words here, but I tried. My bad. Okay. Start new game, connect. On new game. Like that. Oh shoot, I do have to go actually. Dang it. I forgot I had a thing. Let's see if anyone texted me about the thing yet. Hopefully not. Hopefully I'm not late. 1 second. We're good. They haven't noticed yet. They haven't noticed I'm late. We're good. Safe. I'm gonna show up and be like, oh, you guys are late. What took you so long? Oh, man. Okay, before I go. Someone is playing Sound Voltex. This is my favorite game ever. We're gonna go post Azer playing Sound Voltex. This game's awesome. I'll see you there. Thanks for chilling, everybody. Oh, I'm gonna be playing Minecraft for a bit. If you want to hang out in the Discord and play Minecraft too. Discord. I'm gonna be on the server for a little bit. Not a raid. Why not? Raids are fun. Also, welcome to the mirror dimension. Okay. Raid. See ya. Next stream is Friday. Friday, 6 p.m. JST. Yeah. Is this? Why won't this work? Go? Go. Nice. Lets you have 7 seconds to ask your question. I'm waiting. 1 second left. You gonna be able to do it in time? Alright, if you ask in the YouTube thing, I'll answer you in the YouTube chat. If not, I'll see you at Azer stream. Alright, bye.